Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Rogers Apartments in New Kingston. This building is actually located on Waterloo Avenue off Waterloo Road. So this building is going to be apartments, residential apartments. And this building is very special because it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica soon. By the end of the year, it should pass 17 floors. So once it passes 17 floors, it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. So we're going to keep giving you guys updates every 2 weeks on the construction, as it's at about 15 floors now, and it's going to be 20 floors when finished. But once it passes 17 floors, it will be taller than the Jamaica Pegasus, which currently holds the record for the tallest building in Jamaica. And the building is going to have 99 luxury apartments in it. I'm not sure. I think the starting price I heard was 300 and something thousand US. I can double check it. Or if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But it's going to be luxury apartments. And it should finish sometime next year. Also, if anybody knows if the apartments are sold out, you can also leave a comment in the section below, and we will include it in one of the follow-up video or one of the update videos. There was a very nice complex we saw in Draxall last week. It was Fairway, I think it was. I think it was Fairway Estate. Very nice homes, over 100 homes, massive complex. And when we did the tour, they were all sold out. Even the ones under construction were sold out. So how would you say now, the apartments or the residential homes in Jamaica, they're selling like crazy. The ones that most of these construction sites that you see that are doing like townhouses or apartments, they're sold out. The government announced once that there was 70,000 units that are needed. 70,000 units that are needed in Jamaica, and those residential units. Not to mention the call centers. Those buildings are literally leased out before they're even finished. Before there was a building on 58 Halfway Tree Road, and before the building was even started, it was fully leased out. A call center, BPO company took the entire thing. The same thing with the Usain Bolt building on Hope Road in front of Andrews Hospital, fully leased out. So there is definitely a lot of progress going on in Jamaica, and the residential units are in high demand. And these units will not be cheap because these are luxury apartments. And across the road, literally across the road, or one block, the one next door, you could say, is another apartment building, Genesis 28. That one isn't as high as 10 floors. It's either 6 or 8 or 7. It's below about 8 or less. Genesis 28, more apartments. And then beside that, you have Parkhurst 1. That one is finished and persons have moved in. More apartments. And then beside that one, you have 20 South, more apartments. So as they build them, they are rented. And then up the road, you have Nitrums, Waterloo, more luxury apartments. This stretch of road between Upper Waterloo and Waterloo Road has so many high-rise buildings. And then you have the residences at Terra Nova, which started out as residential units, but they changed them, and that building is 14 floors. It's now going to be a part of the hotel. And then down in New Kingston, you have so many more residential units coming on stream. The Via at the Braemar is finished, fully occupied. The Cambridge, 172 units. It's still under construction, but will definitely finish this year. And you have 2 other buildings going up in New Kingston that are residential apartments. So there is a big demand for these units. So we'll keep you guys updated on this one. As you can see, it's going to be a very nice building. And it's special because it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. And it won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for long, because the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors, is under construction. They've actually started construction, although the Ascent won't pass 20 floors for probably definitely won't pass it this year, maybe next year or the year after. So this building will be the tallest building in Jamaica until the Ascent reaches 21 floors. And they have plans to build a 28-story building in Montego Bay. Actually 4 towers that are 28 stories each. So that building will become the tallest building in Jamaica. And then they have plans to build a 34-floor building at 77 Knutsford Boulevard. That's the old Wyndham property. So that will be the tallest building in Jamaica. And just to note, the tallest building in the Caribbean is Anaconda 27. I think it's in the Dominican Republic, and that is 42 floors. So I'm sure it's a matter of time before Jamaica builds a building taller than 42 floors. It's just a matter of time, because the buildings are getting taller and taller, and as they build them, they're rented out or leased. So as long as the demand is there, they will keep building. Alright guys, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, that is Genesis 28 on the left. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other channel, Driving in Jamaica. We make similar videos for that channel also, but they're different videos. We don't put up the same video twice, so you can check that out also. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, as we give you update videos on this project and all the construction projects every 2 weeks. Alright guys, Driving in Jamaica. We make similar videos for that channel also, but they're different videos. We don't put up the same video twice, so you can check that out also. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, as we give you update videos on this project and all the construction projects every 2 weeks. Alright guys.